Ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name of Arlo, Maverick, man of many hats who just happens to rap, and today we're talking about Zoom etiquette for artists. Due to the pandemic, many of us have had to communicate with other people via platforms like Zoom. Now, for artists, there are some things that we need to be mindful of as we operate in these spaces because no matter what, we are artists at the end of the day. So let's go over some things that you should be doing as proper etiquette when it comes to Zoom. Number 1, be on screen. One of the worst things you could do as an artist is not be present when you're supposed to be present. This is something that I see happen often, and I had a conversation with another artist in regards to this, where sometimes people would be part of a panel, they'll be part of a discussion, so on and so forth, and it's a picture of them or it's their name. You should be present. Let people see your face. That is part of branding. Let people see that you're actually engaging in the conversation that's actually happening. Number 2, use appropriate handles. If your stage name is Jay-Z, but your real name is Sean Carter, don't use Sean Carter. Use Jay-Z. The people in the room have to be aware of you as an artist, and it's also part of your brand extension. So if they're going in there and they don't know who Sean Carter is, then they'll be like, oh, I guess so-and-so's not here. Or even if it's the first time they've ever been introduced to you, it's better that they're introduced to your stage name as opposed to your real name, because that is what they're going to know you by. Number 3, brand yourself. If there's some sort of way to make yourself stand out, then do so. Maybe it's having a banner in the back. Maybe it's having your logo in the back. Whatever the case may be, have something that is eye-catching and memorable, because when people begin to see this over long periods of time, it plays into the branding of who you are as an artist, and they'll remember you. Number 4, dress the part. If you have a certain persona to you as an artist, then allow that to be present while you're in the Zoom conversation. That way people will remember who you are and also be able to quickly identify who you are as well too. In addition to that, if it's makeup, if it's getting a lineup, if it's your hair or your makeup, whatever the case may be in character. Number 5, one of the most important things, contribute. Come up with questions that add value to the conversation that can allow you to engage the moderator or the panelists or the people within the chat. It is so important for you as a person to contribute to this conversation, because this is how you build community and also how you build networks and allow yourself to be memorable. In closing, if you found yourself to be more informed by the end of this vlog, then please make sure to click that like button as well too. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, which is youtube.com/Arlo Maverick as well too. Don't forget to comment below. Is there more etiquette that you feel should be added to this conversation? Shout out to my boy Chu, who helped me come up with this topic for the vlog as well too, guys. Don't forget social media at Arlo Maverick on everything. Yes, make sure to follow me Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, whatever the case may be. And as well too, don't forget that we are trying to build a community. So again, I'm going to stress it, be part of the conversation, contribute, as I said in this most recent vlog, because that is how we build something. And until the next episode, ladies and gentlemen, peace.